Hello, my name is Irma. For people that know me, would know that I'm not a social media person, a person that makes videos on social media. Social media is actually very scary. So, for people that do know me, will know that I'm a people's person and that I have a heart for people. So, let me introduce myself again. My name is Irma. I'm a counselor in training with a heart for people and a passion for emotional healing. While I'm still completing my studies, I've created a space to share encouragement, practical tools, and faith based insights that can help you navigate everyday challenges with more clarity and hope. My goal is simple: to create a warm, safe space where you can learn, reflect, and feel supported. As I grow this journey, I'll be sharing what I'm learning, what is helping me, and what might help you too. If you're looking for positivity, emotional support, and gentle guidance, you're at the right space. Remember, you're not alone in this. God is still creating miracles in my life every day, and He can do that for you as well. You just need to believe that. Thank you for being here. I'm excited to grow together.